What is going on YouTube? For the people that don't know me, my name is Sean Napier. I own a 2015 STI. The last video that I posted on here was 5 years ago. I did an install on a blow-off valve. However, you can see that the car is basically done. And in that video, it was bone stock. So, little backstory. I installed an exhaust for my next video. I had everything ready to go, and then I had issues exporting it and then uploading it to YouTube. So from then on, I kind of got frustrated and stopped making videos. So I'm giving it another crack. 5 years later, car's done. However, I have a lot of friends that I work on their cars, and a new friend of mine, well, an old friend with a new car just picked up a BRZ, and I'm going to work on it today. So I figured, why not document his car? So that's what we're going to do later today. But for now, I'm going to give this a wash, and we'll go through the car after I've washed it. So let's go. Alright, so just got the car snow foamed, got it on the time lapse just here. I am using my iPhone because the microphone on that camera isn't the greatest. I used to have like a full microphone set up when I was filming like 5 years ago, then I got rid of my camera, and now here we are with a new camera. So I'm gonna do the nice shots on that camera there and film and talk to you guys on my phone. As you can see, there's another car here. My mate was in, he just rocked up. So we're gonna give this car a wash as well. And yeah, let's get back into it. Alright guys, so my car's all washed. I'm about to give it a quick blowdown. Wasin's starting to wash his car now. It is looking like it's going to rain on us, but what do? My car needs a wash, weekly wash, black car things. But yeah, his is a daily, so he needs to wash his because it's filthy. But yeah, gonna give it a blow with this thing here. Definitely the best thing ever. If you want to get one, I think you can get them from like super cheap, Repco, Autobahn, if you're in Sydney or Australia in general. But yeah, so I'm gonna give this a blowdown because if I hand dry this, we're gonna end up with swirls everywhere, and I do not want swirls. He's one, it's okay, it's a daily. But yeah, not this thing. So I'm gonna give that a quick blowdown now. I just started. You can already see it's like pretty mirror. The car's all clean. As clean as it can be. I mean, it's going back in the garage, so it's not that big of a deal, but paint's nice and shiny. Dry those wheels up, but yeah, we'll throw it back in the garage. Wasin's gonna finish up his car, and then my mate should be here any minute, and we're gonna do a control arm install on a new 2023 BRZ. So yeah, show you his car real quick because I didn't show it before. So we got a Vogue. It's got an airlift 3P. It's got some 326 wheels, some flares. They were actually off my car. You wouldn't know that because I never filmed anything about my car, but these are flares for an STI that we've put onto a wagon. And yeah, pretty subtle, like clean. And yeah, that's it. Daily driver and then show car. This is a show car too, but he does daily drive it, where this thing is a garage queen. Anyway, okay guys, so this is my mate's 2023 BRZ, and we're installing some Cusco rear upper control arms. These are the adjustable ones. We are going to be doing some camber on this car soon in one of the next videos. So these are going to be required to get that camber because, yeah, if you look at that now, there is no camber, and the wheels that we're going with are quite aggressive. So we're going to grab these and throw them on. Alright, so we've opened them up out of the box and out of the wrapping, and these are the Cusco ones like I was saying. So these are a little bit more affordable. I have the hard race ones in my car, but due to COVID, they've put the prices up ridiculously, so these are the next best thing, and who doesn't love Cusco? So this is the part number if anyone was interested in getting them. They are generic to the old 86 BRZs, and they fit exactly the same as the old ones do on the new model. So I got these down at DC Jap in Sydney. If you're interested to get them, definitely hit them up. Colin, he will sort you out for all your Subaru needs. But we'll get these on in a minute. But first, we're going to throw on a window banner, because who doesn't love a window banner? And we're going to throw on a cheeky little sticker as well. So we'll get those two things thrown on, and then we'll get to this. All right, so we got those stickers on. Now we're going to flip the car around and jack it up. Alright, so putting them side by side, obviously you have a left and a right. They do not say on here which is the left and right, but you can just obviously see by matching this one with this one. What we're going to do is, I'm going to roughly get this to the same as stock for now, because we are not putting the wheels on just yet, so we want him to be able to drive the same it was before. So we're just going to adjust these collars here to get the correct adjustment out of it. Later on we will be winding them in to get more camber, but for now we'll just copy the stock setup. Alright, so we'll throw these in now. So same as the way they came out is the way they go in, obviously. I've got this one going in now, so the first step you want to do is get the rear ones in first, get the bolts lined up, and then you can just adjust this to slide the last pin in, and after you've done that, then that's pretty much it. It's all ready to go. Make sure you have the collars tightened, and yeah, we'll get this one done, and then I'll show you both sides once they're in. So this side's pretty much done now. Just got to put this bolt back on for the brake line, so it's just a 12mm here. Wind that in, screw it in like that. So they give you JDM zip ties, quote unquote. It's got Japanese writing, they're JDM zip ties. So we're going to put them on. You just zip tie them to the upper control arm just here along the sides, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so we got the passenger side all done. So it's got the zip ties in here with the ABS sensor wire. That's how you're meant to put them in. There's really no other way to put them in, so I find that that would be the most efficient way to do it, because obviously if the arm's traveling up and down, you want it to be able to still move. So zip tie them there and there. Make sure that these collars are all tight, bolts here tight, bolts down the back there are tight, also the one here for the brake line, and that's it. Show you the other side, same thing, zip ties. Make sure this is all tight here, this bolt, that bolt, and the two down the back there. That's it. Now we'll put it on the ground. All right, so car's all done. Rear arms are in. Got the wheels as neutral as they can be. Maybe a slight bit of toe in, but it's literally getting coilovers put in next week, so it'll be okay. You can barely tell that there's toe at all. So yeah, got the wheel pretty much identical camber wise for the time being. Like, it's not cambered in at all. It's pretty much the same as stock. Looks the same, but yeah, stay tuned. We'll get this thing looking good real soon.